Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Chocolate on chocolate. Yes, please.
Off with the lights. I bet you never really made love to an angel. Break you down in different angles. Anything you want, baby, I don't need a thank you.
Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a very nostalgic video. A video that is reminiscent of like the old school YouTube days, the 2011, the 2012 days, when girls used to sit in their bedroom and talk about stuff that they truly love without everything being an ad. So that video in question is going to be a what's in my bag. And I'll also be reviewing one of the hottest bags for this fall. Coach Quilted Tabby in the size 26. And it is the color maple that I got. For reference, I got this bag on the Coach website, and if there is a free gift wrap option, I'm going to select that every single time. So I was going to get the size 20, the Coach Tabby 20, the same color. So I went to Dillard's to try it out to see how big the bag was in person. The bag couldn't fit my phone. So I said, you know what? Let me just go on the Coach website, get the larger size, the 26, and it is perfect. And when I grade or find a shade of Godiva chocolate, it is a beautiful chocolate brown bag. So as I said, I got this bag in the color maple size 26. It retails for $5.50 on the Coach website. It features this beautiful, supple, buttery, 100% Napa leather. The beautiful gold hardware on the closure, and the strap. The strap can either be worn on your shoulder for a chic, fashionable look, or for a more casual vibe, crossbody. Do you see how long this is? So I wear it on my shoulder like so. Or you can wear it crossbody if you'd like. It also features a back pocket. And for reference, I took out my phone. But my phone right in the back pocket right here fits perfectly. The Coach 20, it couldn't do that. In the size 20, I couldn't get my phone to fit, and that was a deal breaker for me. I need my bag to be able to fit my phone because I want to be hands-free. So let's open up the bag and I'll show you what the inside entails. So it features a little lock closure. Open up the bag. First of all, it has this pocket right here with this magnetic closure. As you can see, very deep. You can fit a wallet, you can fit your phone, you can fit any little thing that you'd like to fit in there. I don't have anything in this pocket. I actually just went, I'm just coming back from there. So I'm just showing you what's in my bag tonight, what I brought out with me tonight. So nothing is in this pocket right here. Moving on, there's like two other large pockets. Large. Look how deep that is, large. Then there's another one. And then there's a zip closer. There's another pocket with a zipper. You can close it up, as you can see. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this bag. I brought it out with me tonight, and my friend, she was like, oh my God, I love this bag. It's so pretty. It is the perfect shade of brown, perfect for fall. A staple for fall, actually. It's a staple for year round. It's a neutral color. It is a classic shape. It is multifunctional, as in you can put it on your shoulder, you can put it crossbody. So if you're that type of person that wants to be hands-free, if you're a mom, or you just don't like to have multiple things in your hand, I say this is the best bag for you. Ugh, I love this bag. I love this bag. And if you can't do the big C, as in the big Chanel, then I say start with this Coach. Look how pretty that is. Best purchase ever. Like, listen, Christmas come early and I'm too obsessed. Anyway, let's get into the contents of what's in my bag. As I said, my phone was in the back pocket, so get that out of the way. Let's reopen the bag. First pocket right here. First pocket right here. Oh my God, what's that? this. So this is my lip pencil. This is the Juvia's Place lip pencil in Cocoa Bean. I love this pencil so much. I have multiple of these. You don't have to sharpen them. You don't have to worry about like misplacing your sharpener. It's already done. So chocolatey, glides on perfectly. I'm giving you mini reviews as I go, if you can't tell. My Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. I have it in the shade Stone. This is what I have on my lips in addition to that lip liner. So I always bring my lip combo with me. Uh, this is like an old gloss. I don't know why I still listen. It's probably expired of August 1987. This is like a ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collab lip gloss. What's it called? Neat Freak. Still have it. Still use it. I have so many of these. So pretty. I have also my hand cream from Bath and Body Works. Listen, these come in clutch. This is the Bath and Body Works Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Hand Cream, and it really it really is hydrating, and it's so small, not too thick, but and does the job. And I love this, and it's super affordable. I get these all the time when they go on sale. So cute. Moving on to my lipstick. I'm a matte girly. If you can't tell, this is in the color Please Me. Color Please Me, and this is what I'm wearing. This is part of my lip combo. Then another Bath and Body Works situation. This is the hand sanitizer, the hand gel in the stars. And if you're a Bath and Body Works girl, you know what this kind of smells like. It's in the realm of like Baccarat, but not really. It kind of has similar notes, but not really. So if you like Baccarat, you like this hand sanitizer. Next. I have this little Tom Ford pouch that I got with like a eyeshadow palette. I don't remember. So I have my little Charlotte Tilbury face powder to touch up my face on the go when I'm on the go. You know, after you go to dinner, you want to make sure your makeup is still on point for when you want to take pictures. And then I have my little, my little triangle sponge. So I keep it in this pouch right here because listen, I'm not messing up my bag. I'm not messing up my bag for nobody. Thank you. I also have my Chanel mirror. I carry it with me to check my face. It has like, I don't know. This is not a necessity, but I'm just a girl. And the girls who get it, get it. The ones who don't, oh well. I'm just a girl. Sorry. Moving on. I got some gum. I got my AirPods. I don't know why I have these AirPods in the bag. Oh well. Guess it was from my other bag. Got my card holder. This is the Louis Vuitton card holder. Me, I cannot have a wallet, or us Jamaicans say purse. I can't do the wallets. The thing is with wallets, you're gonna hoard stuff. You're gonna have multiple receipts. You're gonna have multiple business cards. You're gonna have a bunch of junk in the wallet. So you know what? I said to myself, self, you need a card holder. You're not a wallet girly. And with that being said, I've gotten that card holder for like 3 years, 4 years. I'm not going back to a wallet. Card holder, hands free, quick and fast, quick and fast, quick and fast. Nothing bulky. I hate bulky stuff. What's this? I have this Marc Jacobs lippy. Uh, I don't know why I have this. I guess I just threw it in my bag just in case for more a pinker look in case I wanted it when I was going out, but I never did use it. And then the infamous viral Amazon light so that you can take ass pictures when you go out. If you're a girly that loves to take pretty pictures or make sure your pictures have the perfect lighting, this is the light that you need. I'm not going to turn it on to blind you today, but you need this light. Just make sure you charge it. And this bag fits my light. This bag fits my light. I love that for me. And then the last thing from my bag is gonna be my perfume. So you always gotta bring your smell good. So this is Mason Francis Kurt de Jean Golden Fluidity. Now you gotta bring yourself smell good every single time. And this is that girl. This low key, I low key love this better than Baccarat. Because it's different, it's unique, it's elevated, sophisticated. So I had to bring my smell good. And then last but not least, I got a battery for my camera because I decided to bring my vlogging camera with me because I'm capturing the moments. The simplest moments I'm just going to record. That's my winter arc. I'm going to keep recording. That's my winter arc. I'm going to keep recording. It's Q4. That was on my list of things to do for 2024. So I'm just going to bring the camera with me. I'm going to record. I'm going to try to be consistent. Pray for me, please. Uh, Let me see what else is in the bag. There's nothing else in the bag. I think that's it. In conclusion, I really love this bag. If you're eyeing this bag and you don't know if you want to get the 20 or 26, you just have to figure out what is important to you. Do you want it just for the style or do you want it to be functional as well? I need a bag that's going to hold enough without being too big, but it's still going to be chic. The 20 was cute, but it wasn't functional enough for what I wanted for. I want this bag to transcend all seasons. Yes, it's a beautiful bag for fall. However, it's in a neutral color. This is gonna go work well in the springtime, in the summertime. It is a classic shape. It has the muted gold hardware. It doesn't look too out there. It can work for dinner. It can work for work. It can work for casual lunch days. It's a very versatile bag. Well, that's it for what was in my bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you'd like to see next on my channel. And until next time, talk to you later, girls. Toodles.